Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nihayatul Saada with NPM D1400045. I'm from class 2B, majoring in Information System, Computer Science Faculty, Subang University. What this is that to turn on into code. All following a clear roadmap. Today, we're going to break down the programming steps that every developer needs to know. Let's get started.
Understanding programming steps. The journey of code, understanding programming steps. Embark on a fascinating journey into the world of programming. This video will demystify the process of software development, breaking it down into essential, easy to understand steps, whether you're coding developer or simply curious about how software comes to life. You'll gain valuable insight into the structure approach that turns an idea into a functional application. Next, introducing what is programming and why this is better. Programming is the art and science of instructing computer to perform specific tasks. It involves writing a sequence of commands known as code that a computer can understand and extract from the apps on your phone to the system powering global networks. Programming is the foundational force driving modern technology. It empowers innovation, automates complex process, and solve real-world problems across every industry. Uh, Problem solving. Programming is essential about finding elegant solution to complex challenges. Automation. It allows us to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing human error. Innovation. From AI to space exploration, programming forces technological advancements. Step 1. Problem definition and requirement gathering. The first and most critical step in any programming endeavor is to clearly define the problem you're trying to solve. This involves understanding the answer needs, the project goals, and any contracts. Requirement gathering is a meticulous process of collection detailed information about what the software should do, how it should behave, and what the features it must include to be considered successful. Identify the code problem. What specific challenge or need will the software address? Engage stakeholders. Talk to other clients and experts to gather diverse perspective. Document requirement. Create clear, unambiguous specification for all functionalities. Define scope. Establish what is in and out of scope to prevent project creep. Next, step 2. Solution design and planning, algorithms, and data structure. Once the problem is defined, the next step is to design a robust solution. This involves creating a high-level architecture for the software and detailing the logic through algorithms. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem, while data structure defines how data will be organized and stored efficiently. This phase is like drawing a detailed blueprint before building a house, ensuring a solid foundation for the code. Next, algorithms. sequence of operation, logic flow, efficiency consideration, and problem-solving approach. Data structure, organizing data, storing information, efficient access and modification, and the last example array list stress. Next, step 3, coding and implementation. Implementation, translating design into code. With a clear design in hand, the actual coding begins. This is where the algorithms and data structure are translated into a specific programming language, such as Python, Java, or C++. Developer write the source code following best practices for reliability, maintainability, and efficiency. This best requires attention to detail and a strong understanding of the choice language syntax and paradigm. Choice language selects the most suitable programming language for the project. Red code translate the design info into functional source code. Follow best practice. Adhere for coding standard for quality and maintainable. Next, step 4. Step 4. Testing and debugging. Ensuring functionality and reliability. Testing is crucial to ensure the software works as intended and is free of errors. Various testing methods are employed, including unit tests, integration tests, and system tests. Debugging is the process of identifying, analyzing, and removing bugs or defect from the code. This interactive process guarantees the software reliability, performance, and overall quality before it reaches a user. 1. Unit testing. Test individual component or function in installation. 2. Integration testing. Verify interaction between different modules or service. 3. System testing. Test the complete and integrated software system. 4. Debugging tools. Utilize deb- debuggers and logging to pinpoint issues. Next, step 5. Documentation and version control. Preserving knowledge and tracking change. Documentation is vital for understanding the software architecture, functionalities, and usage. It includes user manuals, API documentation, and code comment. Version control systems like Git are indispensable for managing change to the code over time. They allow developers to track revisions, collaborate effectively, and refer to previous versions if needed, ensuring project integrity and facilitating teamwork. Documented documentation types. 1. User manual. 2. API documentation. 3. Code comment. 4. Technical specification. Version control benefits. Change tracking and collaboration. Next, step 6. Deployment and maintenance. Bridging software to user and keeping it alive. The deployment is the process of making the software available to each user. This can involve releasing it to App Store, deploying it to server, or distributing it to client maintenance. As deployment maintenance paging, this includes fixing bugs that arise, releasing updates with new features, and adapting the software to new environment or technologies is an ongoing process to ensure the software remains relevant and functional. Deployment, deployment planning. Strategies, the release process and target environment, installation and configuration, set up the software in the user environment, monitoring and support, check performance, and provide assistance to Azure, update and upgrades, regularly release improvement and security patches. The next, interaction of optimization. The cycle of improvement, software development is rarely a linear process. It's an interactive cycle where each step informs and refines the order. Feedback from testing and user experience lead to new requirements and design adjustment. Optimization is also a continuous effort to improve performance, efficiency, and resource utilization. This agile approach allows for flexibility and continuous improvement throughout the software lifecycle. Ide- Ideation, new concepts or features emerge from feedback. Feedback, collect user input for future iteration, deployment, release, update software to Azure. Refinement, adjust requirements and design based on insight. Implementation, develop new features or optimize existing ones. Testing, validates change and ensures stability. And next, call consolation. Your roadmap to successful software development. Understanding this programming step provides a clear roadmap for successful software development. From initial problem definition to ongoing maintenance, each stage plays a vital role in creating robust, reliable, and user-friendly application. Embrace the journey continuously learn and remember that every line of code is a step towards innovation solution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.